Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to easily create a countdown timer in Canva, whether you want it full screen or inside a small circle for your videos. Let's jump right in. First, open Canva. Right below the search bar, click on Videos. Now choose the size of your video. For this tutorial, I'm selecting 1920 by 1080 pixels, which is the standard YouTube size. Once you select it, Canva will open a brand new blank canvas. On the left-hand menu, click on Elements. In the search bar, type in Countdown Timer. You'll instantly see a list of countdown timers. Some of them have a Pro or dollar icon. Those require a paid plan, but you'll still find plenty of free ones. Let's say you want to make a 15-second timer. Choose a timer that is longer, like a 30-second one, so you can trim it down later. Click on the timer to add it to your canvas. If you want the timer to fill the whole screen, click the three dots and select Set Video as Background. Simple as that. But maybe you want the timer in a small circle in the corner. In that case, delete the full screen version. Go back to Elements, type in Frame, and click See All. Choose a circle frame and place it anywhere on your canvas, top left, top right, wherever you want. Now go back to Elements, find the same timer under Recent, and simply drag it into the circle frame. Perfect. To make it exactly 15 seconds, go to the timeline at the bottom and drag the edge of the clip to 15 seconds. Then right-click and select Split Page. Delete the extra part you don't need. Now hit play, and you'll see your countdown start from 15 seconds, clean and smooth. If you want to add a background video, just go to Elements, search for something like Business Meeting, choose a video, drag it to your canvas, and set it as the background. Just make sure its length matches your timer. Trim it to 15 seconds as well. After that, you can add text, animations, or any other elements to complete your design. And that's it. Your custom countdown timer in Canva is ready to use. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more quick and powerful Canva tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.